Brakes are a part of a complex system designed to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. To continue operating smoothly, the system requires regular inspection and periodic servicing. Your assistant service manager or technician are able to determine whether brake service is recommended and will explain what's included. This involves cleaning and restoring the brake components, and then a road test to ensure it is functioning at an optimal level. Brake servicing also helps extend the longevity of the brake components. Some brake components, such as brake pads, will wear as a result of normal usage. Other components can develop excessive rust, dust, and dirt buildup, which can affect their performance. When it's time to replace them, choose Lexus genuine brake components. Genuine calipers, rotors, brake pads, brake shoes, and brake drums were all custom engineered for your Lexus. We offer a warranty of 2 years or 40,000 kilometers, whichever comes first, for new service replacement parts purchased and installed from your Lexus dealer. Thank you for taking an inside look at your Lexus.